If Photoshop is showing error 44, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing again. This error is often caused by corrupted temp files, background Adobe processes, or folder permission issues. And the good news is that you can usually fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, we'll start with a very effective fix, clearing your temp files. This removes unnecessary cached data that can interfere with Photoshop and other Adobe apps. To do this, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run box. In the box, type %sign temp%sign, then press Enter. This will open your temporary files folder. Now, inside the temp folder, select everything. You can press Ctrl and A to highlight all the files and then press Delete to remove them. If some files are in use, Windows may ask you to skip them, and that is completely normal. Just delete as much as you can. Once that is done, close the folder and move on to the next step. Next, we need to close all Adobe background processes. Sometimes Photoshop error 44 appears because Creative Cloud or another Adobe service is still running and causing a conflict. To fix this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact view, click More Details so you can see the full process list. Now look through the list and end these Adobe processes if you see them: Creative Cloud, Adobe Installer, ccxprocess, and Adobe IPC Broker. To do that, click each one and select End Task. If you see other Adobe-related background services running, it can also help to close those as well. After ending the processes, wait a few seconds and try launching Photoshop again. In many cases, this alone can clear the error. If Photoshop still gives you error 44, the next fix is the main one: folder permissions. This is one of the most important steps because Photoshop needs proper access to its program folders in order to run correctly. We're going to check the Adobe install folder and make sure your user account has the right permissions. Open File Explorer and go to this path: /program files /Adobe. Once you are in the Adobe folder, right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab, then click Edit to change permissions. Now select your user account from the list. If your account is not shown, you may need to add it, but in most cases, it will already be there. Once selected, make sure to give your user full control, modify, and write permissions. Check the boxes for those permissions if they are available, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. If Windows asks for administrator approval, allow it. This step is extremely important because if Photoshop cannot properly read or write files in the Adobe directory, it can trigger error 44 during launch or installation. After updating the permissions, restart your computer to make sure all changes are applied correctly. Once your PC restarts, open Photoshop again and see if the issue is fixed. In most cases, clearing temp files, closing Adobe processes, and correcting permissions will solve the problem. If it still does not work, you may want to run Photoshop as an administrator or reinstall the Adobe app, but the steps in this video usually take care of the error. So to quickly recap, first clear the temp folder, then close all Adobe background processes, and finally fix the folder permissions inside the Adobe directory. Those 3 steps are the most effective way to fix Photoshop error 44 without wasting time. If this guide helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Photoshop fixes or Adobe troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.